All right, we're still working with our continued series on app smashing, and in this particular example, we're going to be using iTunes University. We're going to open up a book, essentially, that has a quiz in it. We're going to take the quiz, and then we're going to post the results to Google Drive. And this is something that can be a little confusing because we had to be a little creative. So let's go to iTunes University, and let's go ahead and open up our course. And we're going to take this Moon quiz. So when I open up the Moon quiz, I get an introduction quiz book, and this was created in one of the other applications that Apple makes called iBooks Author. And when I click on this, it is actually going to open up an iBook that we can then work with. So I've been going through this iBook, and I've been answering questions, and it's as easy as picking an answer out, and if you get the answer right, it goes green. If you get it wrong, it goes red. And this type of quiz can be built in iBooks, and it's pretty neat. It's very interactive. There's a lot of visuals to it. You can do some great things. At the end of completing this quiz, I get a results page. And this particular results page said I got 10 out of 10 questions, 7 were correct. Out of a possible total of 30 points, I got 11. Why did I get 11? Well, because this particular test was graded a little differently. I had 3 points for the correct answer if I chose it first, 2 if I chose it second, and only 1 if I chose it third. So as I was clicking just now even on those, I was actually losing points for the result. Kind of a neat way to grade, though. I think that's a neat option for you, and there are some trainings on iBooks Author if you'd like to learn how to do that. But question is, how do I turn this electronic grade in to the teacher when there is no option in this app to score this electronically? Well, what I can do is I can push and hold the 2 buttons and take a screenshot. And so if you don't know how to take a screenshot, check out that training tutorial on taking screenshots. It's the only 2 buttons on the iPad. It's the power button and the belly button, the home button. When you click those at the same time, it's going to take a picture. So once I've taken a picture, then what I get to do is I get to go to my Google Drive to turn it in. So I'm going to go into Google Drive. Hopefully I have internet connection. And I'm going to go ahead and click the science class that we've been working with. So here is the folder, and I'm going to submit that project to this folder. And I'm going to do it by clicking the little plus sign there and saying upload photos or videos. And I'm going to upload from the camera roll there. And once I do that, the item is going to upload, and now it is already shared with the teacher. So the teacher can real easily open this up, see the image, and say, oh great, you get 11 out of 30, and put that into the gradebook. So that's a quick and easy way to utilize an electronic book quiz and then put it into your score. There are a lot of quiz apps and software out there that even make this easier. This is just one way that you can utilize some of the resources from iTunes University with Open University and some of the other things that are out there to kind of use some of the pre-built materials in your courses.